Linking your bank account to BoomTown is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions and management of your finances. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your BoomTown account. Start by logging into your BoomTown account using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the account you want to link. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Click on it to access various account options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In Account Settings, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Account Linking. Click on this option to proceed to the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review it once more for correctness. Then click on the Confirm or Save Changes button to finalize the linking process. You may receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to BoomTown, allowing you to manage your transactions efficiently. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to BoomTown's customer support for assistance.